Experts say domestic violence has been on the rise for decades, and the cases are getting more severe. 9 on Your Side's Perla Shaheen joins us now here in studio with more on how local government officials are trying to improve the system right now. Perla.
Well, Pat, the pandemic made it difficult for survivors of domestic violence to get help or to find safety. But there are advocates in the city courts and the state legislature offering support.
Judge Wendy Millian at the city's domestic violence court not only helps victims, but also offenders.
A lot of these families stay together. And so we're really working on connecting offenders to more services than just domestic violence treatment.
Millian and her team often assign offenders to mental health and substance abuse classes. She then schedules review hearings to hold them accountable.
Really exciting to see an impact. And I had one guy just tell me, he's like, "Judge, I'm tired of living like this."
Her court also works with the Emerge Center Against Domestic Abuse to give support to victims and their families.
Potential injuries that have to be dealt with. You're talking about the fact that they may need to look for another safe place to stay other than their home. They might have work, childcare issues.
But all of these services were affected by the pandemic. Millian says she's dealing with more cases now than ever before. The city's domestic violence court has around 1,400 open cases, with 2,000 still awaiting trial.
It's impacted how quickly we bring cases to trial and how quickly we resolve cases, and the kind of contact that Emerge can have with the victims.
2 bills in the state legislature could help. Both would extend court orders of protection for victims. These orders can prevent contact between the abuser and the victim, providing safety as the court case progresses.
As they are making long-term plans for what's next in their relationship, what's next in their life, what's next for their safety, that they don't have the clock ticking in the same way around worrying about that order of protection running out, and just gives them some more time.
Well, both bills are still going through the state legislature, but legislators are hopeful that they'll pass in the next few weeks. Perla Shaheen, KGUN 9 on your side.
All right, good stuff. Perla, thank you so much. For a list of local resources for those in a domestic violence situation, scan that QR code you see right now on your screen. That's going to take you to our website for numbers and websites to groups who can offer help.